Aviation launched its first plane yesterday. The launch was attended by state ministers, diplomatic missions and former statesmen.
People living in remote areas will now benefit from the services of the first operating amphibious plane.
Shortage of judges currently faced in the country. The move grabbed the support from all political parties and was unanimously voted for with a total of 87 votes. PNG's first amphibious plane will now service remote parts of the country that lack basic services such as health supplies. The Samaritan Aviation launched its first plane yesterday. The launch was attended by state ministers, diplomatic missions and former statesmen.
People living in remote areas will now benefit from the services of the first operating amphibious plane in the country. One of the most important services provided is health supplies to people who can't access medical treatment. The president of the Samaritan Aviation said fundraisings to bring the plane to Papua New Guinea were done in the United States of America.
Many Americans are not clear as to where Papua New Guinea is. A lot of times they think it's in Africa. So we have to educate them. And then we talk about the need of the people in the rural areas, show them a lot of pictures and talk about infant mortality rates and those kind of things. And then they get excited and they start supporting. And so through that tour, we were able to raise the funds to bring the plane over here. And
refurbishments were done on the plane before bringing it into the country.
We've had a team in the United States that have been working on this plane. It took us about a year to refurbish it.
The Minister for Civil Aviation and Transport, Don Pollier, commended the Samaritan Aviation in facilitating this humanitarian aid.
I'm proud to witness the launching of the PNG's first plane that lands on the sea. I'm very proud to do this as Minister responsible for transportation in this country. I'm even more proud because this plane will be used to transport very important medical supplies to rural parts of Papua New Guinea that's needed there. And I'm very, very proud.
The plane will leave Port Moresby for its base in Wewak sometimes this week. Anthony Joy Kema, National EMTV News.
Last night saw the